Good morning everybody, welcome here to another video. Today's video is going to be a new in H&M haul. I picked up recently a couple of bits from H&M. They're still available, so I'm going to be linking everything down below, but I thought this might be a really nice video to film, something different for me, something different from my vlogs and drive with me. So yeah, I thought I would show you what I got, style it for you, show you how I'd wear it usually. I think I got some nice pieces, some nice staple pieces for this autumn and winter. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know if this is something you like to see in the future. Not that I'm going to be shopping a lot because I'm trying to save, but if I pick up some pieces, do you want me to do these styling videos and just show you some casual bits and pieces? Not that I'm like a style queen, because I'm really not. I tend to wear really laid back and casual outfits, but I thought some of you might like it anyways. So yeah, without further ado, I really hope you enjoyed the video and let's go. For the first outfit, I'm actually going to start with what I'm already wearing, simply because I don't want to get changed again. I'm going to show you the trousers that I picked up closer once I take them off. This is the first outfit. I picked up these trousers from H&M. They're just a grey ribbed kind of wide leg trouser. I thought these were really nice simply because, you can't see me, simply because I always wear my leggings, and I thought this was just something different to leggings. I love that it's wide-legged at the bottom and it just looks nice with Converse or any other shoes. I just paired it with a stripy long sleeve top because I feel like I live in these and then just a cardigan, and I think it's just a nice casual outfit for like a Saturday like today where I just want to chill, I don't want to do anything, and yeah, just thought it was a nice alternative to leggings. The next thing I picked up is this jumper. I'm absolutely in love with it. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a cable knit grey jumper. The sleeves are a little bit wider. It's super soft, and this is how I styled it, just with some jeans, Converse again, and I just love it. It's so easy just to throw on. I used to have a jumper like this a while back. I think I had it from like Pull and Bear or something like that, or Bershka maybe, but it got like really just used and ugly, so I had to get rid of it. But this is literally what I had. Like, I'm so happy that I got another one of these because I just love it so much. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really love it. It's like the perfect length. I did get it size up because I love my oversized things and I love how big it is, so of course I could have had it smaller, but I didn't, so I got it in a large. I think, did I? Hang on. Yeah, I got it in a large. So I usually would have gotten it in a medium, but I just like the oversized look of them. So yeah, this is the second piece I picked up. So here is one of my favourite outfits. As you can see, I got this little cardigan with some pockets in the front. It has a nice slit on the side, which I love. It just adds something different to it. Once again, I got it in a large, so I got it oversized. It's super soft. It's even softer than the other jumper, which I couldn't believe. It's in this lovely beige brown colour, I want to say. They also had it in like a cream, and I think I might have to pick that up as well because it's just so soft. I paired it with some leggings. These are the ribbed leggings from H&M actually. I love these leggings. I wear them all the time. I have them in loads of different colours and I would highly recommend them, so I'm going to link them down below as well. And then I just paired it with some boots for like a more autumnal look, but I just love it. Like, it's so easy to throw on. Of course, when it gets a little bit colder, I'm going to have to put like a jacket over it or one of these sleeveless jackets on. But like for now, I think it's just really cute. So yeah, this is the next thing and I love it so much. So next up I picked up a couple of staples, and that is a black hoodie. This is just a normal black hoodie with some strings, a hood obviously, and then I picked up some more of these ribbed leggings. As I was saying, I own them in like almost every colour, so I got some black ones. So this is like an all black outfit for me. It looks like I'm about to rob a bank or something. But what I had in mind for this outfit is to wear it with this coat that I got, and I love it so much. This is what it looks like on the hanger. It's like a, what's this pattern called? Dog tooth? I'm going to be kicking myself for saying that now because it's probably not that. But this is what I had in mind. It's such a lovely coat. I think it was €59. Now bear with me because I know I probably look like a grandma, but I love it so much. So it has 2 buttons here. Once again, I went a size up, so this is a large. Yes, it looks massive, but I thought that like if I paired it with a bag, it kind of automatically makes it a little bit smaller, if you know what I mean. Like it cinches my waist a little bit more. Of course you can wear it like this. I kind of would have styled it open. But of course if it gets colder I'm gonna have to close it. But I just love it so much. Like, could you imagine it with like the New Balance trainers, or even Converse, just for a different pop of colour at the bottom. But yeah, I just love it so much. It's super soft. I actually didn't expect it to be this soft. But yeah, I love it so much. What do you think? I think it's such a staple, and I can wear it with so many things. I can wear it with like a dress, a skirt, yeah, leggings, as I said, jeans. I think it'll look good with everything. But yeah, I love it. I thought it was such a nice thing to pick up. And it's super warm. I know it's really warm in my room now, but like it's super warm. But yeah, that is everything I picked up in H&M recently. I'm looking around to see if there's anything else, but I don't think so. But yeah, that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked some of these outfits, and now it kind of gave you an idea of what's in store, or how to style certain things. I know, as I said, I'm really basic when it comes to fashion, and I just literally throw on like a pair of leggings and a jumper, or a pair of jeans and a jumper. But I really like that, and that's definitely my style. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some sort of idea, as I said. And let me know if you want to see more of these videos in the future, because they were pretty fun. Of course, I'm getting super sweaty and more, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one.